Hi everyone! In a previous video, we looked at how to connect and send a job database into a control panel. In this video, we'll look at how to upgrade or downgrade a panel by installing firmware, using the configuration software. Firmware is located on the ESD portal. A previous video shows how to access the ESD portal site. Once you have the firmware downloaded on your computer, you can follow the next steps to install it. Performing this operation will erase the data in the control panel. Be sure you have a backup of the job before proceeding. For connecting to the panel, a USB-A to USB micro cable is plugged directly to the core board, located over the main board of the control panel. Plug the other end of the cable into a USB port on your computer. Make sure you also have a valid Weeboo security key plugged in. Open the configuration software, navigate to the File menu and select User Preferences. Select or confirm the correct serial port that is being used to communicate with the control panel, then click OK. Next, go to the panel menu and select Connect. The connection dialog opens with Direct Serial selected. Go ahead and click Connect. The connection to the panel starts. Once connected, you may be requested to update the current time in the panel to match your computer's time. Select Yes to update the panel's date and time. Once connected, navigate back to the panel menu and select Upgrade Firmware. The Upgrade Firmware Wizard dialog opens and provides specific steps to install the firmware. First, select the firmware file by clicking on Browse and locate the firmware file you will be using. Click on Next to go to Step 2 and 3. Step 2 is power down the panel completely and disconnect the USB cable. Step 3 is to move the jumper on the core board from JW4 to JW5. Then reconnect the USB cable. The computer will have lost communication to the panel during this process, and the lost connection warning dialog is presented. This is normal. Click OK to close the dialog. Clicking on Next will start the process of sending the firmware to the core board. The panel should still be powered off during this process. The USB connection is providing power and sending the file to the firmware chip. When complete, you'll see a notification that the panel has been upgraded successfully. Click on Next to continue. The last steps are: remove the USB cable, move the jumper from JW5 and return it to JW4, and then restore power to the control panel. The process is now complete, and you can click on Finish. The panel will show System Restart active and then resume operation. A job file should be sent to restore the panel configuration, and the system should be tested to assure proper operation. Pressing the menu key and then holding the question mark key will show the now current firmware versions. That's it. The panel firmware has now been updated. Be sure to watch our other quick start videos for the 400 series control panels. Thanks for watching.